Hello, it's Liz. Welcome to my little urban homestead. Just a quick show of some more apples. Third and final picking of the apples. I've already had near enough this amount. This is what's left of the first two pickings. Lurch has just gone out and fetched them down from higher branches so I can't reach, and we've got these. So off one tree I must have had anywhere between 80 and 100 pounds of apples, and that is amazing. From a 3-4 foot high stick that I bought a few years ago for £20, and I've had apples off it since then, but this year has been its bumper. Last year, no, it had a year off, but this year, bumper crops. And I've still got 2 more trees, but they're having their rest years this year, I think. So I don't know what to do with these and how to preserve them, but I'll do something. Get my thinking cap on now. Thank you. Bye.
It's a perfect situation. Swear the